Ibomaka UK presents the first Igbo TV network in the diaspora.
Apollo, whether it's a call challenger, it cannot be attacked with the Buddha Koribo like 430. And this is Dr. Prince Chokoya, the grandson of the Job Jalala, the son of the soil, and by the grace of God, you make your millionaire in the whole universe.
Give me help from woman.
Thank you, Jehovah. See, I'm living large, I get angels so for my ghetto.
Log on to www.ibomakatv.tv/live_TV HTML to watch Igbo entertainment, past, present, and future, news, sports, events, and documentaries that will blow your minds. For adverts and live coverage, call the numbers on the screen. Ndewono.